An economic boom for Mongolia is on the horizon as it sets out to tap its mineral wealth. Is it about to go from being one of the poorest to one of the richest countries in the world? Mongolia is now in a perfect position to exploit its untapped mineral wealth. Gold, silver, copper, tin, tungsten and coal. The Gobi Desert has it all.